I vow, decoding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to discuss the phrase, I vow. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it in different contexts, and its significance in the English language. The phrase, I vow, consists of two words, I and vow. I is a pronoun used to refer to oneself. Vow, on the other hand, is a verb which means to promise or swear firmly to do something. So, when someone says, I vow, they are expressing a strong commitment or promise about something. It's like saying, I promise, but with a deeper sense of commitment. To understand I vow better, let's go through some examples. 1. I vow to always be there for you. This is a deep promise of support. 2. I vow never to smoke again. This shows a personal commitment to quit smoking. 3. In their wedding, they vowed to love and cherish each other. Here, vow is used in the context of marriage, a traditional place where vows are exchanged. It's important to remember that the use of I vow is often reserved for more serious and heartfelt promises rather than casual ones. While I vow is a powerful expression, there are other words in English that can convey a similar sense of promise. Some of these include I swear, I promise, I pledge. While they might have subtle differences, all these expressions show a commitment to something. So, there you have it. I vow is a way to express a deep, sincere promise or commitment to something or someone. Whether you're making a personal pledge or expressing dedication to another person, using I vow signifies the depth of that commitment. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and helps you use it confidently in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.